Alright, while your vegetables are cooking, a couple more minutes, add about half a cup of wine, white wine, red wine, doesn't matter. You want to add some, I like balsamic vinegar, gives everything a richer flavor. Gonna add, start with a quarter cup, I guess. Mix those all up. Okay. Cook another couple minutes. Take about a cup of crushed tomatoes. That's about a cup, I guess. Do a little more just in case. Alright. Then mix that up. Throw your crushed pepper, black pepper in. Take about half a teaspoon crushed red pepper. Mix it all up. Then you want to take your olives and capers, alright, whole. Put about as many as you want, depends on how you like it. Okay, capers are pretty salty, so you want to, you can get them unsalted too, but you want to put about 3 tablespoons of capers in. And you could add a little bit of brine from the capers in if you want. Do the same with the olives too, which I will do because I like the taste of the brine from these in my food. Alright, mix that all up. Lower it. Okay, now you want to take your take your eggplant and pour your eggplant in. Alright, mix that all together. Let this cook on low for about 5 to 7 minutes, and there you have caponata for the most part. And let this cook, and then I'll show you how to serve this. I'm going to cover this up a little bit here. Alright. And let that cook.